Hello, my name is Eslava and I work at the Centre for Biological Diversity at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. My research investigates natural biological communities and how they're changing over time. And to do so, I focus on one group of organisms, which are freshwater fish. And what I'm trying to understand is how the composition of fish species is different to what it was in the past. And this is important because fish play key ecological roles in the environment where they live, and yet we don't fully understand how our impacts on these environments affect them. So a day like today, I would go to the department where I work. I would spend most of my time either reading studies that are relevant for me or analyzing data from a project. And then I might also have meetings or informal discussions with my advisors and my colleagues about our research, which is a part that I really enjoy. And if we were in the middle of the academic semester, I usually spend 1 or 2 afternoons a week demonstrating for different modules in the biology degree in practical sessions. Something very exciting that happened to me recently, and thanks to my work, was that I got to visit the amazing island of Trinidad in the Caribbean. So I got to step out and record some biodiversity data that I will use for my project. So that's exciting in itself. But in one of our trips, we suddenly saw one of our fieldwork team colleagues approaching us. He had something in his hand, and it was a caiman which had accidentally swum into the net that we use for catching the fish. We got to have a proper look at the caiman, which was truly beautiful, and take some pictures, and then of course we released it unharmed to the river afterwards. To apply for a PhD project, the main qualification that you need is a completed undergraduate degree in a subject that is relevant to the area that you're interested in. So in that case, for me, was my biology degree. Then I was also asked to have an overall good score, which would be upper second class or higher, or an equivalent if you have studied outside the UK. And second, a master's, which is not a requirement in the UK, it is in other countries. And finally, another qualification that I needed was proof that I had good understanding of the English language because I'm not a native speaker. Try to pay attention to what you like and to find a career path that you genuinely enjoy in your daily life. And second, that not knowing straight away what you want to do, it's okay, because there's pretty much always opportunity to redirect yourself if you find out that something that you were really interested in is not really for you.